It means APC or MPP are paying me. It means, so they are corrupt like them. So we have no option. I said, why I blame Jonathan with blood in his hand? Because Boko Haram were putting bombs everywhere and the government is not doing enough. Anybody killed under your regime, you are responsible for that blood. If you have done your best, I can say yes, Allah can forgive you. But if you are relaxed, no, Allah will not forgive you. So the same thing now. The bloodshed now is more than combined together the bloodshed during Jonathan's regime. Combined together is more. So now you judge yourselves. To be fair, our religions are religion of fair. We are fair to ourselves. During Jonathan's time, when the blood is flowing too much, mosques and churches and streets, I said, let him resign, because I could see he could not handle the blood flow. He cannot handle it. I say, please resign with immediate effect, because you cannot handle the killing of innocent people. That's why I called for his resignation. And government paper, an editor, everybody published that in English. Is that possible today? Now more blood is shed from negligence, from sleeping, from laziness, from I don't care. I don't care, I mean, more effort should have been. It's not possible people are dying, then the president and the governors are attending wedding ceremony. That's what I mean, I don't care. There is no question for wedding ceremony. It is either, if I am true to myself, as I call for the resignation of Jonathan, if I am true to myself, I should call for the resignation of President Buhari. And with immediate effect. And the government paper should carry it also, if there is truth. So what we are saying, this proves Jonathan, as bad as he is more democratic. He has given people freedom to speak, even against him. You could see when he saw there is problem, he relinquished the power. Said, I don't want blood to be. This man built for us 9 universities in the area, more than 150 Al-Majiri schools. Even this railway you are going from Kaduna to Abuja, he has done a lot of things. But I was charging him because of the blood. Blood is the most expensive thing in life. There is nothing I have not said. He should be impeached. He should resign. He is divisive. He is all I've said about that when I saw it, and I was honest to myself. So I have now one of two options. If I cannot tell my own brother what I have told this man, then I should take an aeroplane from Abuja to Jonathan and say, please forgive me for castigating you in public. I either seek his apology or castigate the president too. One of the two. There is no three. We have been patient with this government. If it has been another, wallahi, it will have been more than this. People are dying. Every day, kidnapped. Yesterday we said somebody was kidnapped. People are suffering. And nobody can say it because they have taken our throats. They don't want to hear anything bad against the man. This is a mosque of Tawheed. Even that is enough a reason for me to show people. When people say, لَقَدْ كَفَرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا إِنَّ اللَّهُ هُوَ الْمَسِيحُ بِمَرْيَمَ قُلْ فَمَنْ يَمْلِكُ مِنَ اللَّهِ شَيْئًا. When people are saying Isa is the son, is God, Allah brought in the verse to Isa down to show him, look, if Allah likes, he can even destroy what? Isa. When they bring somebody up, you need to bring him down to show people he's a human being. Buhari is full of mistakes. Full of mistakes. He's a human being like anybody. And I swear to God, there are many people here in the north that can perform better than him. Better. People are just clinging to him because they use him as a ladder to climb to power. And these people that are climbing to power, they are not people among us we know. They are not the people that attend our mosque. Now they are accusing those who attend the mosque as corrupt. Those who don't attend as good. So let the government decide which one they want. For me to go to Okeka and apologize to Jonathan, or to castigate them like I castigated Jonathan. Let the government decide.